Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm gonna build the Rolife Starry Night made by Robotime. Yay! It's got unicorns! I'm very excited today because I'm building one of my favorite things. It's another 3D puzzle by Robotime. It's called Starry Night and it's got unicorns. Oh my god! Oh, so exciting. It's a music box and the song playing it's a small world and it's got 174 pieces and I cannot wait to build it. So I'm gonna crack on with it and let's open this amazing and beautiful box which has got like a really beautiful design and it's got little unicorns. Oh my god, so amazing. Let's open it and start building. Oh, the box is amazing. I just love their design, even of the box. It's so cool. Absolutely love it. And we have got the instructions. And we've got all of the wooden bits. Ah, I love the smell of laser cut wood. Oh my god. You even got like a little sandpaper and you've got a little bag with all the tools that you need. It's got the little screwdriver, the little tweezers. I've got to say the tweezers are a little bit useless, but they're there. They're so cute. Oh, what else have we got here? And then we've got the glue, a little dome, and the music box. Oh, so exciting. I love how these 3D wooden puzzles are designed and they come with everything that you need to build it. So you open it and you start building it and then you've got this amazing piece that it looks absolutely stunning. I love the colours. The colours are incredible. I've built a few before and I'm just in love with it. So let's see if this is going to turn up as gorgeous and as lovely as the other ones I built. Let's get on with it. I'm so excited. It's finished. Oh my God, it's been an emotional build, but look at the colours. Look at that. It's got like a little castle inside. I'm not sure if you can see it. And then it's got crown and most of anything. It's got unicorns. I know I keep banging on about it, but I love them. That's my thing. That's my soft spot. And also look at this design. Look at that. I find it amazing and the colors are beautiful. It's it I love it. Absolutely love it. And uh, I said it was an emotional build because I broke pretty much everything that you could possibly can. I broke these bits, I glued them back, and then I broke one of the unicorns trying to putting it down. I broke all of these because they're very thin, so trying to put them up, I broke them. But with the glue and everything else, it's like you can put it together and you can fix it. And also the base had few issues as well, and I had to take it apart and trying to find a way of fixing it. And I've done it. And this now works perfectly, and I'm really, really happy with it. I know I'm a bit impartial because I absolutely love these kits, but even though the pieces are really fragile, I think most of the it's mainly me being impatient Italian and heavy-handed, and I can't wait. So I didn't wait for the glue to dry properly. So there was loads of issues that way, and I played a big part on it. So, but I love them, and if I could, I would make it again. Obviously, being a little bit more careful. But I'm not sponsored by Robotime or anything like that. I just buy the kits myself, and I absolutely love them. I really do. And as I said, it's amazing all these laser cut and the engineering of how they come together is just brilliant. So make sure you watch to the end so you can see how it works and you can see this in action. And also, if you like this video, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notifications on when the next video is out. And also, why not give us the thumbs up? It really helps the channel. But thank you so much for watching and take care for now. Bye bye.